Okay. I want to thank you everyone for being here for our Commodore Stockton parent meeting.
咁歡迎大家再次嚟到呢度，我哋 Commodore Slope 嘅家長會議，
Commodore Stockton, not Sloan.
Commodore Stockton 嘅。
Our agenda for today, we're going to have some school updates, talk about the 26-27 enrollment, some upcoming events that we have, what the plans are for summer, and then question and answer time.
咁今日我哋主要咧家長會議嘅流程咧係歡迎大家啦，同埋想同大家咧係跟進我哋學校有啲咩新嘅資訊啦，尤其是關於2026至27年嘅入報學入學嘅情況啦，仲有嚟緊有啲咩嘅學校嘅有啲嘅事件啊，或者係學校嘅事會開始嚟緊，加埋咧夏天咧嘅一啲細節或者一啲嘅資訊，最後咧就係睇下大家有咩提問我可以作答嘅。
So we're going to start with our school updates.
咁我哋先講關於學校嘅新更新嘅資料。
So we received our parent satisfaction survey results. I want to thank everyone for completing that. We have 75% of parents who were very satisfied, and then 25% of parents were satisfied with our climate safety and sense of belonging at our school.
咁我哋好多謝家長咧參與滿意問卷嘅結果啦。咁我哋咧係有你哋嘅支持嘅，而75%嘅家長咧係非常之滿意我哋學校嘅情況，而25%嘅家長咧係對我哋嘅學校嘅環境啊、安全同埋歸屬感咧喺我哋學校咧都係達到滿意嘅程度嘅。
So we had an overwhelmingly positive 98% of families responded that they were able to go to school or keep, maintain, or accept a better job because of this program.
咁有98%嘅家庭咧係反映咗佢哋可以翻嚟呢個學校啦，或者係保持而家嘅現狀，或者係可以接受一個更好嘅工，因為我哋有呢一個嘅服務嘅。
And so we're very happy. We have really positive results for that. But then we also want to continue to improve. And so some of the improvements that we saw were parents wanted better nutrition and better equipment.
咁多謝大家有咁正面嘅回饋啦，咁亦都有再做好啲改善嘅方面嘅，而亦都係反映到俾我哋知咧，係或者供給食物營養啊，或者係有唔同嘅教材方面都可以更進步嘅。
So, for example, in nutrition, I noticed some of the parents wrote in the comments they wanted more pasta and rice. And so we're going to be putting those comments into our student nutrition services kitchen so they are aware of that.
咁我哋聽到咧一啲家長咧俾我哋係關於營養方面嘅建議啦，就係可以增加呢一個誒誒意大利粉啊呢啲嘅麵條類嘅食物或者係飯類嘅，咁我哋會將呢一啲意見咧係加喺我哋嘅學生營養服務啦，喺我哋嘅學校嘅廚師嗰度咧嗰個廚房佢會係更新嘅。
Mhm. And then in terms of our equipment, we are continuously trying to improve our outdoor space, and so we will be trying to update our outdoor playground equipment.
咁關於係我哋嘅學校嘅環境啊、用材方面咧，我哋係會改善我哋學校外邊咧操場嗰個範圍，尤其是咧係會更新我哋小朋友玩嗰啲嘅用具嗰個設施，咁我哋係會做呢一個嘅更新嘅。
And then some parents were also looking for more resources in the community, and they're especially concerned about their child's emotional health.
咁亦都我哋聽到一啲家長咧係想我哋分享多啲社區嘅資源啦，尤其是咧係想關注關於小朋友嘅情緒情緒健康方面嘅。
So here I wanted to share one resource. It's the Chinatown Public Health Center. Here is a flyer so you can take a look. They are located on Mason Street in Chinatown, and they provide a lot of different services for families, such as counseling, psychology, etc.
咁我其中有一個社區嘅資源想同大家分享啦，就係華埠嘅公共衛生局啦。咁喺呢度咧，你可以睇到係有好多唔同嘅資源嘅，而佢咧係位於Mason 街啦，喺華埠嗰度啦。咁佢亦都可以提供唔同嘅服務啦，例如係輔導服務啊，或者係心理健康嘅服務，仲有好多唔同嘅服務範圍嘅，可以俾你提供參考嘅。
So I will be putting these posters on Seesaw so you can take a look at it if you wanted to look closely what services they have. And then I also want to remind you that we also have our mental health consultant, Nelson, who is on site on Thursdays at our school.
咁咧，我可以將呢一啲資訊咧擺喺 C 疏嗰度，俾大家家長去繼續參考啦。而我亦都想重點提到呢一啲服務，例如係精神健康嘅輔導員啦，叫 Nelson 啦，佢逢星期四咧，佢係會嚟學校嘅。
Okay. Next, we have our 26-27 enrollment.
咁跟住咧，我想講係關於26至27學年嘅入學報名嘅情況嘅。
And so this past Monday was the first day of the wait list coming out. And so I wanted to show you that if you received a wait list offer, then it would show up right here where it says current offer. The school name will be listed right here on your parent view.
咁咧係過去呢個禮拜一咧，就其實已經嗰個等候名單就出咗噶啦。咁如果你係喺呢度咧，好似我俾你睇睇到係收到咧話而家呢一個等候名單咧已經正式係開始發行咗啦。咁你就會喺呢一個位置咧，會睇到而家嗰個學校嘅名，同
Mhm.
埋咧喺個 Parent View 嗰度，亦都可以更詳細睇到嗰啲嘅資料嘅。
So if you don't see the school name here, like for example, right here it says not applicable, no waitlist offer, or it's blank, that means that you did not get a waitlist offer yet. You may get one next week, or you may get one the week after, because they're gonna give out waitlist offers every week. So if you don't see one here yet, that's okay. It could mean that you might get one next week.
咁呢一度咧，我指住呢度咧，係應該會睇到個學校名嘅。咁如果係而家咧，你會睇到係冇嘢啦，因為係冇呢一個等候名單俾呢一個學校嘅情況。咁唔緊要嘅，因為嗰個等候名單咧，而家可能仲未係更新而家嗰個等候名單嘅情況啦。我哋每個星期咧係會有唔同嘅等候名單嘅發放或者更新嘅，所以可能而家你未睇到咧，下個禮拜或者再下個禮拜咧會可以再去查看嘅。
So if you have any, again, we had a lot of parents come ask and we showed them and unfortunately they didn't get a waitlist offer yet. But even if you don't get one this week, you might get one next week or the week after.
咁我哋知道有好多家長嚟問我哋關於等候名單嘅情況，咁亦都係可能未喺個系統睇到嘅，咁唔緊要嘅。如果係暫時未有咧，可能你再喺呢個禮拜再查下，或者下個禮拜再查下都可以知道嗰個更新嘅等候名單嘅資訊嘅。
So if you do receive a waitlist offer for a school, you have to respond on Parent View by Friday the same week by 4:30.
咁如果係你收到呢一個學校嘅等候名單嘅報稱嘅通知咧，咁你就會係需要喺 Parent View 嗰度咧，同一個禮拜五嘅下晝4點半要去回覆嘅。
And if you accept the current offer, then you will be assigned to that school and you'll be giving up your currently assigned school.
咁如果你接受咗呢一個等候名單嘅學校咧，你就會報入去呢一個等候名單嘅學校，而本來你係報讀嗰個學校，你就會將嗰個學位放棄㗎啦。
And if for families who decline or if they do not respond by Friday, then that means that they will not get that waitlist offer and you'll continue to be assigned to your currently main round assignment offer.
咁如果有啲家庭咧係未能夠喺同一個星期五嗰個截止時限4點半回覆嘅話，確認咧，咁你嘅仔女嘅入學係將會維持翻喺本來嗰個首要選擇嗰個學校入讀嘅。
And so, another thing I want to remind you is please don't respond to the email. You might get an email letting you know that you got the waitlist offer. No one is monitoring the email, so you have to respond on parent view.
咁我想再重點提大家咧，係如果你收到係關於嗰個等候學位名單係電郵方式咧，請你唔好或者唔需要係回覆嗰個電郵嘅，因為咧嗰個電郵係冇人去監管，而我哋係再次提大家係要喺 Parent View 嗰度咧係回覆同埋確定嘅。
And so here I just wanted to let you see the enrollment center hours and locations. The main office is at 555 Franklin. They're open Monday to Friday, 8 to 4:30. There's also a southeast office, but they're only open Tuesdays and Thursdays.
咁關於入學嘅中心咧，係我而家想同大家分享呢個時間同埋地點啦。主要咧係入學嘅辦公室喺我哋校區嘅總部555 Franklin 街100號房三藩市，而佢哋係星期一至五朝頭早8點至下晝4點半開門嘅。而另外我哋有東南區另外一個辦公室咧，係位於1520 Oakdale 街13號房三藩市，而佢淨係開星期二同星期四早上8點至下午4點半㗎。
And then, of course, if you have any questions, you can always come by the office and we can help you as well.
亦都當然啦，如果你有任何問題咧，可以嚟我哋辦公室，我哋會盡力幫你嘅。
Okay, next we have our upcoming events at our school.
咁跟住想講一啲嚟緊嘅學校嘅事嘅。
First, we have our Botanical Gardens field trip at Golden Gate Park. That is for all TK and preschool. That will be on Monday, April 27th.
咁首先咧，想講我哋係有一個郊遊啦，係喺金門公園去嗰個動植物公園入邊嘅，係俾全部咧係幼兒園同埋學前班嘅學生喺星期一4月27號2026年去參與嘅。
So for that day, please bring your child to school by 9:15 so they have time to drop off their belongings and use the bathroom. Our bus will depart at 9:30. And so we want to make sure everyone is here on time because if you're late then you miss the bus, then you will not be able to go on the field trip.
咁如果係參與嘅話咧，咁請帶你嘅小朋友係嚟到學校最遲係9點15分啦，因為我哋係需要擺低佢哋嘅私人物品啦，同埋用廁所。咁跟住咧嗰個巴士咧係會喺我哋學校準時9點半就離開㗎啦。咁如果學生咧係遲咗過咗呢個時間，搭唔到呢個巴士咧，就去唔到㗎啦。
And then the bus will return to school around 1:45. And then those who are staying at school will take their nap or TK will have their quiet time. But we encourage you to pick up early or if you're going on a field trip to bring your child home after the field trip.
咁我哋想提到咧，嗰個巴士咧就會喺下午1點45分咧係接載翻學生翻嚟學校嘅。咁如果係有啲學生咧，佢係幼兒園嘅學生，佢可以喺呢個時間有午睡啦，或者係一個安靜嘅時間嘅。而我哋建議咧，你可以早啲嗰個時間大約嚟接佢哋放學啦，或者係等佢哋完咗嗰個郊遊咧，先至係接送佢哋嘅。
And then if you would like to volunteer for the field trip, please check in with the teacher. And then we're asking for all of our volunteers to help us supervise the students. Like you're not just taking care of your own child, you'll be in charge of one or two other children during the field trip.
咁我哋好歡迎有可以幫我哋嘅誒呢個 volunteer 係幫助我哋嘅人員啦，係義工啦，咁可以去呢個郊遊嘅，可以同個班主任去講，如果你有興趣。而如果你係幫手做義工喺呢一個郊遊入邊咧，咁唔係淨係看管你自己嘅小朋友啦，亦都可能看管一至兩個第啲嘅小朋友喺呢一個義工服務入邊嘅。
And then we ask that for our volunteers that you stay within the small group and you supervise the children at all times. Please don't walk off to another area without notifying the teacher.
咁喺郊遊入邊咧，咁我哋想請義工緊記啦，咁就要跟翻你所隸屬嘅小組啦，同埋咧要看管全部嘅小朋友，即係時時刻刻都要嘅，同埋唔好自行咧係行開啦，冇話俾老師聽嘅咁。
And the school will provide bag lunch to all the students, but for the volunteers, you have to bring your own food.
咁學校咧係會俾全部學生準備午餐嘅，而義工咧或者大人咧請你自行帶你嘅食物啦。
Oh, and then April is our appreciations month. And so I wanted to let you know the special days that we're going to be celebrating with the whole school. And I would encourage you to join us in appreciating all of the staff at our school.
咁我哋4月份咧係感謝老師或者員工學校員工嘅月份啦。咁我哋有一啲日子啦，我哋亦都好誠意咁邀請大家可以參與一齊去表示謝意對我哋嘅老師啊，或者係校區嘅員工嘅。
And so yesterday we celebrated the administrative office. Next week we're celebrating our after school staff. We have our principal appreciation, also teacher appreciation, and then also our school lunch hero appreciation.
咁期間咧，我哋係4月22號咧，係感謝我哋校務處嘅員工啦嗰一日。另外嚟緊咧4月27號咧係課後班嘅員工嘅感謝佢哋嘅服務，而5月1日咧係校長感恩日嘅，而5月5號咧係感謝老師嘅日子，而5月8號咧係感謝我哋學校嘅服務員工嘅。
Yeah, and I just want to let everyone know that, it doesn't have to be anything monetary. It could be like your child making a card or, saying thank you. And just, there are many ways to give appreciation. And I just want to say the staff would appreciate anything that you do to appreciate their hard work and dedication.
咁我再想同大家呼籲就係唔需要貴重嘅，就係其實一張卡寫上你嘅感恩嘅想法，或者就咁講多謝都可以嘅。任何你嘅感恩嘅表達方法，我哋都係會接受嘅。
And then graduations is coming up really quickly. I just wanted to share our graduation dates and rooms and where they're going to be located.
咁跟住咧就係畢業禮嘅日子同埋地點啦，咁係想同大家分享呢一啲細則嘅。
So first we have our TK room. Their graduation is going to be on Wednesday, June 3rd. It's going to be at 10:30 in the morning at the rooftop yard. Room 1 is on Tuesday, June 2nd. It'll be at 10:30 at the lower yard. Room 3 is Thursday, June 4th, 10 o'clock in the morning in the classroom. And then room 4 is Tuesday, June 2nd, 11 o'clock in the classroom.
咁係幼兒班咧，係星期三係6月3日嘅畢業日啦。我哋會喺 頂層嗰個操場嗰度咧10點半舉行嘅早上，而第一號房嘅畢業日咧係6月2號星期二啦，就係朝頭早10點半早上，而喺下邊嗰個操場嗰個位置嘅。第3號房嘅畢業日咧係6月4號星期四，朝頭早10點喺自己嘅班房，而第4號班房嘅畢業日係星期二6月2號早上11點喺自己嘅班房。
So you can check in with your classroom teacher or your classroom parent rep for more detailed information on that day.
咁如果係想再問清任何細節咧，可以同你嘅你嘅仔女嘅班主任再問啦，或者係同我哋嘅家庭服務員可以再問清楚詳情嘅。
And then we have our end of the school year carnival coming up. That's going to be on Saturday, June 6th. It's at 12:30 to 3:30. We're going to be doing a big carnival across the street using Gordon J. Lau's lower yard.
咁我哋咧係呢一個學年末咧有一個嘉年華啦，咁就會係星期六6月6號下晝12點半至3點半嘅。咁我哋會一路行到過去劉桂明小學嘅下層操場嗰度嘅。
And so for that day, we have a lot of activities planned for you guys. We encourage you to bring the whole family, all the your children, siblings, aunties, uncles, grandma, grandpa. We encourage you to bring everyone to come enjoy the day.
咁我哋好歡迎全家人一齊嘅參與啦，帶你嘅小朋友啦，佢嘅兄弟姊妹啦，任何嘅親戚啦，auntie uncle 啦，阿姨同埋叔叔啦，或者係公公婆婆、嫲嫲爺爺都歡迎嘅。
We're gonna have a fairy princess with face painting, balloon animals, arts and crafts for the children, lots of prizes, and also a photo booth. And we'll also have food and drink.
咁我哋呢一個嘉年華咧，係會有一個嘉年華會嘅精靈嘅公主選舉啦，同埋係有可以喺個小朋友嘅面上邊有啲彩畫啦，同埋我哋係有一啲動物嘅氣球啦，同埋有一啲手工啊，另外有一啲小禮物啦，同埋有一個位置可以俾大家影相。亦都當然有食物同埋飲品供應嘅。
And so again, this event is open to all of our preschool, TK, and toddler. All of your family members are invited.
咁呢一個嘉年華咧係歡迎任何人嘅，係學前班嘅學生、幼稚園嘅學生，同埋佢嘅兄弟姊妹全家一齊參與，大人、小朋友、家庭成員全部都歡迎嘅。
So we're going to be passing out a registration form next week. When you get the registration form, please make sure to include all the adults and all the siblings on there so we can plan for the total number of people that will be attending.
咁下個禮拜咧，我哋就會派呢一個關於嘉年華嘅參加表啦。咁如果係咧，你可以登記呢一個表，包括全部出席嘅大人啦、小朋友啊，咁我哋就可以更加詳細去計劃究竟總共有幾多人會參與。
And then at the carnival, we do ask that you supervise your own children. It's going to be like a really big space. And so we recommend at least one adult for every two children at this event for supervision.
咁喺呢一個嘉年華咧，咁我哋希望懇請你去家長咧去看管自己嘅小朋友啦，時時刻刻我哋亦都係建議咧，每一個大人可以盡量看管2個小朋友喺呢一個咁大嘅學校嘅盛會入邊嘅。
Okay, now we're going to talk about summer.
咁我會而家講關於夏天嘅暑假嘅細節嘅。
And so for summer, Commodore Stockton, our toddler program, our preschool, and then also our OST program are all open year round, and they are all open full day during the summer.
咁係我哋 Commodore Stockton 咧嘅幼兒小組咧，同埋學前班同埋 OST 呢一個 課班咧係會全年開放，而且係全日制嘅。就算喺夏天咧，我哋都係照常開課嘅。
And you may see different staff members in the classroom during the summer, and then you also might see some classrooms combined during the summer.
咁喺夏天嘅時候，可能你會見到唔同嘅學校嘅員工啦，喺課室入邊啦，亦都可能有一啲嘅課室咧係會綜合起嚟嘅喺夏天嘅時候。
And then for TK, the last day of school is Wednesday, June 10th. But if your child has OST or they go to our after school program, then they will continue to have OST full day starting Thursday, June 11th.
咁喺我哋嘅最後一日嘅幼兒班係6月10號星期三嘅，而如果你嘅小朋友要去 OST 或者係課後活動嘅服務咧，咁佢哋都係會繼續有 OST 全日嘅，而係會係暑期班就係6月11號星期四開始嘅。
And so, just a reminder that starting Thursday, June 11, you will be following your OST contract hours, not your TK schedule, but the OST.
咁係再提大家6月11號咧，你要係揾翻 OST 嗰個嘅時間表啦，而唔係平時嗰個幼兒班嗰個 OST 嗰個時間表嘅。
Okay. And then for students who are going to attend Commodore Stockton TK, or if they're going to go to Gordon J. Lau for the next school year, we will automatically move them from the preschool program to the OST program. There's no need for you to reapply.
咁如果係有啲學生咧係會去我哋而家 Commodore Stockton 嘅幼兒園高班，或者係劉桂明小學嘅時候，會自動咧就係會由我哋而家嘅學前班係轉去 OST 嘅課程，喺呢一個嘅夏季入邊，而唔需要咧再重新申請嘅。
And if your child is going to another SFUSD school that has an OST program, we will help you transfer that student to the OST program in the summer when they have room.
而如果有一啲學生咧係去另外一啲三藩市校區學校而有 OST 嘅課程嘅話咧，咁我哋係會幫你轉去嗰個 OST 嘅課程喺呢一個夏季入邊，咁當然睇下佢哋係咪有呢個位。
And then lastly, if your child is going to a school without an OST, then the last day of school at Commodore Stockton for them is going to be on August 12th.
如果係一啲學前班或者係幼兒高班嘅學生冇係參與 OST 課程咧，咁最後一日嘅上課係8月12號2026年嘅。
I want to clarify if they're going to a school, an SFUSD school that does not have OST, then their last day will be August 12th.
咁我想再澄清咧，如果佢係冇 參與冇 OST 嘅課程，而佢哋呢個學前班同埋幼兒園高班係去另外一啲三藩市校區嘅學校嘅話咧，佢哋最後一日嘅上課係8月12號2026年嘅。
Okay. And so here are some important dates that we talked about. Our Botanical Gardens field trip, I think it's August 27. I think that's a typo, sorry. And then May 25th, our school is going to be closed for Memorial Day. Our next, actually, our last parent meeting will be Thursday, May 28th at 5:30. So that's going to be the last meeting of the year. Our last day of school is June 10th, and then our end of the school year carnival will be on June 6th.
咁以下咧係一啲重要嘅日子啦。咁第一點咧係4月29，但係應該係錯嘅，因為我哋嘅 動植物公園郊遊日咧係4月27號嘅先啱嘅。咁跟住咧，我哋5月25號咧學校關門一日啦，因為有嗰個亡兵紀念日啦。而第三點咧就係我哋呢個學年咧，我哋嘅學前班同埋幼兒園高班嘅家長見面會咧係最後一次見面會，係為5月28日5點半星期四嘅。咁係最後一日嘅返學咧，係本學年係6月10號，而我哋係有呢一個學年末嘅嘉年華咧，係6月6日嘅。
And then here are just all of our contact information once again for you if you um, just need a reminder. And then also I'd want to highlight Nelson, our mental health consultant's phone number is here as well.
咁以下咧係想同大家分享一啲我哋重要人員嘅聯絡啦。咁第三咧係睇到 Nelson 馬先生咧，佢係我哋嘅精神健康嘅輔導員啦，而佢個手提電話號碼係列咗喺呢度，415-689-0841嘅。
So that's all I have. I'm gonna go ahead and